Finding the right people for the right jobs is critical in manufacturing today, especially when you design and manufacture innovative solutions for aerospace and other industrial sectors. Headquartered in Carson City, Nevada, ClickBond Incorporated is a family-owned and operated business that pioneers advanced solutions in the field of assembly hardware. The company's fastening technology and products employs contemporary materials and processes. Advanced manufacturing requires employees with advanced skills. That's why ClickBond Incorporated turned to ACT WorkKeys solutions.
You need a strong bench of people to be able to do that pioneering advanced work. Before deploying the ACT National Career Readiness Certificate, ClickBond was, and I would argue still is, as are most manufacturers and companies, facing a skills gap. The challenge is finding people who are trainable. That was the challenge that led us to understand what ACT offers and to understand what the NCRC delivers.
Building on ACT NCRC use in Western Nevada, ClickBond Incorporated started by testing employees in key production areas.
And in 2016, we began having all our hourly employees take the NCRC exam prior to hire. What we found over time, we have now a year and a half of data, is that it was a great predictor, again, of their aptitude. The NCRC, I think, is a great tool for any company to implement. I think it's done a great job of saving us money and time. We get a better pool of candidates, and they're more ready to go to work. They have the skills and abilities to start off and do well. And that's why we are really supportive of the NCRC program.
In addition to optimizing hiring, training, and retention at ClickBond Incorporated, the ACT NCRC is also having an impact on employees.
I'm very surprised at where I'm at. I have more opportunity to move forward within this company, within this career, within this field. And it kind of comes back to the NCRC. I have my associate's degree and I have other certifications and I'm continuing to go to school, but ClickBond zeroing in on the NCRC and looking at my scores and looking at my aptitude gave them enough information, gave them enough confidence to put me in a position that I would never have thought that I was capable of.
When you use the NCRC as your standard, not only are you getting people who are trainable and competent, you're getting access to a pool of people that would have otherwise been shut out. And so we feel very excited about it. I think people are crazy not to learn about the tool, experiment with it. I just can't say enough about the value of the NCRC to our workforce and our future.
To learn more, go to act.org/workforce.